माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Shri Sultan Singh, a former member of this House, on the 16th of December 2014 at the age of 90 years. Shri Sultan Singh was born in 1924 at village Nizampur, Majra, in Sonipat district of Haryana. An agriculturist by vocation, Shri Sultan Singh worked for the welfare of the downtrodden sections of the society. He was also associated with several social welfare and other educational institutions. Shri Sultan Singh represented the state of Haryana in this House for 3 terms, from March 1970 to August 1974, from August 1974 to August 1980, and again from August 1980 to August 1986. He served as chairman of the House Committee of Rajya Sabha from 1980 to 1982 and also as chairman of the Committee to recommend amendments in the Canal and Drainage Act. He attended the World Peace Conference on Development held at Budapest, Hungary in 1976. Shri Sultan Singh served as Governor of Tripura from July 1989 to February 1990. In the passing away of Shri Sultan Singh, the country has lost an able parliamentarian and a dedicated social worker. We deeply mourn the passing away of Shri Sultan Singh. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table.
I will, after laying the papers, I will allow you. I will allow you after laying the papers. Raja, I will allow you after laying the papers. I will allow you after laying the papers. I promise you, I allow you. Yes. 0 over is members hour. I have no problem in allowing. Yes. See. Yes. I am happy. Yes, I am happy. See. Yes. Take your seat. Take your seat. I am allowing you sit down. No, now you sit down. You see, please take your seat, Ms. Srijit. Yes, I am happy. Now, Ms. Srijit, I am happy when honorable members stand there in their seat and ask for permission. That is the way it should be done. Not by coming to the bell. Not by coming to the bell. This is okay. I am happy. I will allow you. I will allow you.
The bell.
No. Yeah, papers to be laid on the table. Sri Kalraj Misra.
महोदय, आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 में मेरे नाम के आगे उल्लिखित कागजात को सदन के पटल पर रखे जाने का अनुरोध करता हूं।
श्री तनवर चंद गहलोत। I'm sorry. तंवर चंद गहलोत। I'm sorry.
आज की संशोधित कार्यावली के मत संख्या 2 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष वर्णित पत्रों को मैं सदन के सभापत्र पर रखता हूं।
डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन।
Respected sir, I beg to lay the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 of today's revised list of business.
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Respected sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Rao Indrajit Singh.
With your permission, sir, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 of today's revised list of business.
Sri Prakash Javadekar.
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली के क्रम संख्या 7 पर मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Sri G.M. Sudeshwara.
Sir, I beg to lay the paper on the table of the House listed against my name at serial number 8 in today revised list of business.
Sri Babul Supriyo.
With permission, I rise to lay the papers listed against my name at serial number 9 in today's revised list of business.
आपका प्रोग्राम है आज?
हाँ sir.
You?
Sir, I am carrying
Vijay Sambla.
माननीय उपसभापति जी, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के आगे मत संख्या नंबर 10 पर संबंधित कागजों को मैं सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
श्री बाबुल सुप्रिय का म्यूजिक प्रोग्राम आज गई या मेंबर्स या आज गए हमारा मेंबर का मैसेज फ्रॉम लोकसभा सेक्रेटरी जनरल।
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 17th of December 2014 passed the Companies Amendment Bill 2014. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Report of the Committee on Government Assurance, Dr. R. Lakshmanan.
I beg to lay on the table of the House the 68th report in English and Hindi of the Committee on Government Assurance. Thank you.
Report of the Committee on Subordinate Legislation, Dr. T. Subramanian Reddy.
Sir, I beg to present the 216, 217, 218, 219 and 220th reports in English and Hindi of the Committee on Subordinate Legislation.
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs, Sri P. Bhattacharya.
Sir, I beg to present the 181st report in English and Hindi of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs on the action taken by the government on the recommendation observation contained in its 180 reports on administration of Union Territories, Daman, Diu, Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Chandigarh.
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Committee on Agriculture, Sri Muhammad Ali Khan.
To lay at the table of the copy of the each English and Hindi and following reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee of Agriculture 2014 and 15. First report at action taken by the government and the observation recommendation contained in the 57th report, 50 Lok Sabha relating to the Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Second report of the demand of grant 2014 and 15 for the Ministry of Agriculture, Demand Agriculture, Research and Education. And third report of the demand for grant 2014-15 of the Ministry of Agriculture, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation.
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers, Sri Narayana Lal Pancharia.
ओम सभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से रसायन और उर्वरक मंत्रालय के अनुदान की मांगे 2014-15 के संबंध में रसायन और उर्वरक संबंधी स्थायी समिति के तीसरे प्रतिवेदन की प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Committee on Urban Development, Sri Rangasi Ramakrishna.
Sir, I beg to lay the reports of the Standing Committee on Urban Development as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Report of the Report of the Public Accounts Committee, Sri Shandaram Nayak.
Sir, I beg to lay on table a copy each English and Hindi of the following reports of the Public Accounts Committee 2014-15. 11th report on action taken by the government on observations, recommendations of the committee contained in their 80th report, 15th Lok Sabha on Tatkal and advanced reservation system in Indian Railways relating to the Ministry of Railways.
Printing. That is printer's mistake.
by the government on the observations, recommendations of the committee contained in the 82nd report, 15th Lok Sabha, on sale and distribution of imported pulses relating to the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, and 13th report on action taken by government on observations, recommendations of the committee contained in their 81st report, 15th Lok Sabha, on fertilizer subsidy relating to the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Department of Fertilizers.
Thank you. Statement by Minister Shri Kalraj Misra to lay on the table.
महोदय, मैं सूक्ष्म लघु और मध्यम उद्यम मंत्रालय के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित उद्योग संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 253वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में वक्तव्य देना चाहता हूँ।
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
With your permission, I beg to make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 173rd report of the Departmental Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs, on strengthening of the working of Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region for effective implementation of policies, programs, schemes and projects meant for North-Eastern Region. Thank you.
Motion for election to the court of the Aligarh Muslim University. Professor Dr. Ram Shankar Katharia.
महोदय, श्रीमती स्मृति जुबैन ईरानी की ओर से मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम विश्वविद्यालय की संविधि 14 के खंड 2 के साथ पठित खंड 1 की मद 24 जो अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम विश्वविद्यालय संशोधन अधिनियम 1981 के साथ संलग्न है कि धारा 28 के अनुसार श्री मोहम्मद अदीब और श्रीमती मोहसिना किदवई की कार्यकाल अवधि समाप्त होने और श्री मुख्तार अब्बास नकवी को दिनांक 9 नवंबर 2014 से केंद्रीय मंत्री परिषद में शामिल किए जाने से हुई रिक्तियों पर यह सदन के सदस्यों में से 3 सदस्यों को अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम विश्वविद्यालय के कोर्ट में उस तरह से निर्वाचित करे जैसा सभापति निर्देश दें।
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have, motion is adopted. Yeah.
Sir, you promised.
First Raja, I first promised to Raja.
Sir.
Is it a point of order?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will call you also.
Sir, Professor.
I will call you also.
Sir.
It is ordered that the judges should not be referred to as my lord. Why are you giving first to the Raja, sir?
Yeah, that is correct. Yeah. Agreed. I think, yes. That is a point to be considered.
Sir.
Please. I will come to you.
One second.
0 over is members hour. I have no problem. I will come to you.
Sir, yesterday.
What is your point of order? Okay.
One of our honorable members of this house, my learned friend, Mr. Tarun Vijay, made a comment referring to the developments or happenings in Chhattisgarh. He said it is all due to communist terrorists.
Oh, I expunged it.
I strongly protest. I think
I expunged it.
No, let me finish, sir. I strongly protested. Now I checked.
My expansion you are protesting?
Sir, it stands expunged.
You want it to be there?
Sir, it stands expunged. My point is, as communists, we don't need certificates from anybody. The history knows what was our role in the freedom movement. We were in the forefront of
what is your objection?
Sir. We laid our lives for the independence of this
that
country,
is correct.
Sir. And we
that word
faced
is
jellos
expunged.
and bullets from British army, sir. I am not going into it. My point is,
what is your point?
My point is, there is a different atmosphere in the country. The murderers of Mahatma Gandhi are being...
No, don't bring in such issues. Don't bring in, Don't bring in such issues. What is your objection? I have expunged that.
My question is whether expunging that remark is alone enough, or the
what else I can do?
Member concerned must express apology. Because we communists, we know our role, sir.
And if at all parliamentary democracy is strengthened, it is because of communists. I can proudly claim that. And how can you accuse?
It is because of all of us.
Terrorism. How can you accuse communism for,
Yes,
terrorism?
communists have also their role in that.
This,
all of us.
Should give a ruling.
Our
chair should give a ruling.
Yes.
Whether expunction alone is enough. Expunging the remark.
I will allow you.
Tarun Vijay Mullah. Yeah, we acknowledge the role of communists in the
Yes.
independence movement and post-independence.
Not only communists, others also.
Yeah. No. The point is, you cannot link communists with.
Yeah, you
terrorism.
cannot.
You cannot link. You cannot link
Yes.
communists with
I'm only requesting, our colleague Mr. Tarun Vijay, saying that this was an intemperate remark and it is an unjustified remark. And therefore, he should apologize or
He's a
withdraw.
learned colleague, sir.
Apologize and
No,
withdraw this.
see,
You should express.
now see, okay, I got your point. Now what the chair, no please, now what the chair can do, see, what the chair could do, chair has already done, expunge, whether to apologize or say regret, it is up to the member, chair cannot direct. It is up to the member. Member does it, I am not unhappy if the member does it. Okay, you want to say something? Good thing. Yeah.
I have a great respect for my elder brother, respected D. Rajaji, and I have told publicly that if one has to see a simple life of a honorable member of parliament, we must look at Rajaji's. I have very closely watched, we are neighbors, like that. I have no intention to hurt. Sir, we are ideologically poles apart. Sir, we are ideologically poles apart, but the way our leaders also have expressed goodness, happiness that the parliamentary democracy, by your participation in parliamentary electioneering and all that, must be emulated by those Naxals and Maoists. That is, when I go, sir, just one. Sir, when I
come to the point.
I am a tribal.
Come to the point.
Worker. I am a tribal worker. I have worked in Jagdalpur, Bastar, Dantewada.
No, come to the
and
point.
They come. Just
come to the point.
They say they are followers of Marxism and Leninism.
Come to the point.
Say they are the real followers of Marxism and Leninism.
No, come to the point.
So that is the communist ideology.
Do you regret? That's all. You say yes or no.
That is the communist ideology.
Okay.
And Subhash Bose was called a
that's not
lackey
allowed.
of
That's not
Japan.
allowed. That's
And
not allowed.
Mahatma Gandhi was
After
called
Tiwari, I will
an
come.
imperialist by the communists.
No,
So I have
not
no
allowed.
intention
No more.
to hurt you.
Tarun Vijay, see, only question is whether do you regret or not. That's all.
Between Mr. Tarun Vijay and Mr. Raja.
Yeah.
The point is an ideological point that he has made, and that is something not acceptable. And I think to the majority of the House, it's not acceptable. So therefore, whether he is withdrawing that words or whether he is apologizing for that, that is what I'm asking for.
Okay. No, Tarun Vijay, no statement. Tarun, no statement. The only question is whether do you regret or not. No, then Sri Ram Gopal, chair cannot direct for regret. Chair will be happy if there is a regret. Yeah, Ram Gopal Yadav, I'll come to you. See,
मैंने एक नोटिस दिया है कि सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने
No, that I am allowing you.
सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने केंद्र
It is coming.
अरे तो सुनिए जो सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट
It is there.
सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने केंद्र सरकार को निर्देश दिया है कि सीबीसी हमसे पूछ के अपॉइंट करें। अगर इस तरीके से सर्वोच्च न्यायालय केंद्र सरकार की कार्यपालिका के कामों में हस्तक्षेप करने लगेगा तो फिर केंद्र सरकार का
आपका जीरो ओवर नोटिस, आपको जीरो ओवर में है।
मैं ये आपके माध्यम से गवर्नमेंट से ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि
नो जीरो ओवर परमिटेड। राम गोपाल जी,
आए दिन ये
राम गोपाल जी, आपको 0 आवर परमिटेड है, आपको अवसर मिलेगा। नहीं, आपको अवसर मिलेगा, आपको अवसर मिलेगा।
मंत्री जी बैठे हुए,
राम गोपाल जी,
इसमें कुछ आश्वासन दें।
या तरुण
जेटली साहब बैठे हुए हैं, कानून बेचता है
कुछ। Would you like to regret or not? That is all.
इस पर रिस्पॉन्ड करें।
Okay, that's all. Chair cannot direct. Now next, Sri Tiwari. Chair cannot. Pramod Tiwari. Chair cannot direct. Regret is personal. Regret or apology is personal. Chair cannot direct. Now please, Pramod Tiwari, please. Pramod Tiwari, please.
Chair, you have said he has conveyed the regrets.
Huh.
Is he regretted it?
He has not regretted.
He has not regretted.
I think.
No, sir,
Have you regretted?
Nothing against you. Nothing against you.
If he has regretted, it will be on record.
This is the Gandhian way.
See, if you can express regret, the matter is over. But I don't advise, I don't direct you. I have no
Sir,
power to
I
direct.
have no intention to hurt him. I have
Okay.
greatest respect for him. I only said
All right.
that Naxal
That's all.
follow Marxism and Leninism.
Okay. Pramod
They follow
Tiwari,
Marxism and Leninism.
that's over. That's over. Nothing more I can do.
Not between him and Raja is not a personal
I agree
issue.
with you.
Yeah, you agree with me.
Yeah.
Therefore, you stop repeating that, and then
Yeah.
you say,
Yeah.
do you regret it or not? In which case, we have the license to call
Sri Pramod
you
Tiwari,
to
please.
not-
Sri Pramod Tiwari. Okay. Now Sri Pramod Tiwari. Pramod Tiwari, start speaking. Start speaking.
Sir, there is a point of order, sir. There is a point of order.
What's your point of order? Jaldi bulao. Jaldi bolo.
Kindly read it. That is the section 58 of the proceedings. Sir, वो सदस्य rules के वो सदस्य
Which is the rule number?
58(5).
58.
वो सदस्य जिसने प्रश्न की सूचना दी हो सभापति द्वारा पुकारे जाने पर प्रश्नों की सूची में प्रश्न की संख्या का उल्लेख करते हुए प्रश्न पूछेगा और संबंधित मंत्री तुरंत जवाब देगा। सर, मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाह रहा हूं कि आज आप इंडेक्स देखें तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 333 एटॉमिक एनर्जी के लिए लगी हुई है और एटॉमिक एनर्जी का चार्ज प्राइम मिनिस्टर के पास है। पड़ोसी राज्य से बंबई का मास्टरमाइंड हाफिज,
that you can raise during the question hour.
I'm coming to the point. पड़ोसी राज्य से हाफिज जो बॉम्बे का मास्टरमाइंड था किलिंग का, उसने थ्रेटन किया है कि हम हिंदुस्तान से बदला लेंगे। दूसरा, पूरे देश में उधर हाफिज जो काम कर रहा है, कुछ ऐसा ही काम इस देश में लोग कर रहे हैं, बलात् धर्मांतरण का काम कर रहे हैं, बलपूर्वक धर्म को बदलने का काम कर रहे हैं, वातावरण में सांप्रदायिकता ला रहे हैं।
That is not allowed. He has to raise in question hour.
मेरा ये कहना है कि
Ruled out.
के जो जुड़वा भाई यहाँ मौजूद है,
That point of order is ruled out. That point of order is ruled out. Now, yes, Rajiv, what do you want?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Rajiv.
Sir.
I'll come to you. That is ruled out. That is not ruled out. Okay.
Rule out कर दिया आप कर रही हैं। Sir.
What is your point?
Sir, I have.
That is ruled out. If at all you want to raise it during question hour. Now, अभी नहीं पार्टी.
Deputy Chairman, sir.
No, Rajiv. You say. You say.
Deputy Chairman, sir, एक मिनट.
Yeah, please.
मैं तिवारी जी का बड़ा सम्मान करता हूँ. उनको अपनी बात कहने का पूरा अधिकार है. लेकिन भारत में अगर कुछ चीज पर उनकी आपत्ति है, उसकी तुलना हाफिज सईद के स्टेटमेंट से करना, वो हाफिज सईद को जस्टिफाई कर रहा है. ये बहुत गलत बात है. ये बहुत गलत बात है.
That is a valid point.
तो आप देखेंगे लोग और हाफिज सईद ये क्या कर रहा है?
What the minister has raised is a valid point. It's a valid point. I accept. It cannot be done. Yeah. Now, Rajiv.
Sir, I have given a notice.
Rajiv, Rajiv, bolo.
I have given a notice under 267. That is this house should condemn the attack on secular fabric of the country. Sir, today the Hindu newspaper reported that Hindu Mahasabha wants to install Godse best at public places. And as per the Hindu Mahasabha statement, Godse is a
No, you give notice for that. No, no.
And nationalists in that country.
You can, without notice, it is no point of order. You have to give notice. Sri Mystery. It is no point of order. You have to give notice. You are quoting a newspaper. It cannot be a point of order.
Sir.
It is not point of order. You have to give notice, Mr. Rajiv. Ruled out. It is not point of order. Mr. Mystery, what is your point of order?
No, I don't have a point of order.
Then nothing. Sit down. Then Anand Sharma. No. Only point of order. Nothing. No point of order means no. Anand Sharma. Yeah. 2 minutes. No, please. Point of order I can allow. No problem. Yes. Give over is yours. I have no problem. No, Anand Sharma.
Deputy Chairman, sir, I have to draw the attention of the chair and our members towards something which I'll term as most unfortunate. Yesterday, Honorable Chairman did name one of our members.
No, you can't raise it now.
Sir,
that is over. You cannot raise it.
Please,
no. That I have given ruling. You cannot question that. No. No, Anand Sharma, no. I am not allowing. I am going for 0 hour.
Please allow me to complete.
I cannot that.
No.
You are raising a question that should not be raised.
Something different.
Yesterday it is over.
We accepted that. I am raising something different. Please. I am not questioning. I am raising something different. The minister, please, आप भैया कृपा करके सुन लीजिए. मैं कुछ और बात कह रहा हूं. Then the Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs made a statement that the concerned member had used highly abusive, objectionable language against the Prime Minister. Nobody would use such language, and we checked the records. The fact is that the Honorable Member, my party member, did not say anything against the Prime Minister. He was only protesting to the heckling of the treasury benches when we were speaking. So this thing should be, this is a serious matter. He is a member of this house.
Sir.
He was asked to withdraw, he withdrew.
See.
But I would like the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to check the proceedings and to apologize to this member.
Yes, you kindly bring the notice to the chair. I will go through the records.
In that context, sir,
I will go through the records.
let me also make
and
it
do the
clear.
needful.
It is very much our right to demand on any subject and to request from the government that the Prime Minister comes. Our demand is being rejected. The government is being arrogant. हम पर आरोप लगाते हैं कि हम सदन नहीं चलने देते, प्रधानमंत्री को सदन में नहीं बुलाते, पूरा समूचा विपक्ष की एक बात है, ये हठधर्मी है कि मेरा आग्रह है नेता सदन से, सरकार से कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को कोई नुकसान नहीं है, वो चर्चा में आए, सारे सदन की बात सुने, अपनी बात करें, हम सिर्फ आग्रह करते हैं, उसके बाद व्यवस्थित रूप से सदन चले, हम भी चाहते हैं सदन चले, वो भी आप सदन की कार्रवाई है वो चले, उसमें हम भी पूरी तरह से सहयोग होगा देंगे.
Yes.
Sir, Sri Anand Sharma has just now said that the government is being arrogant. When this session had started, with regard to the statement of a Minister of State, the opposition had raised an issue and demanded that the Prime Minister come and give an explanation. An assurance to this House.
No, please.
The Prime Minister came. The Prime Minister made a statement which should have had a sobering effect on the members. The statement was virtually rejected. Thereafter, the House must pass a resolution, and finally it settled down with the chair making a statement. And after a couple of days, the House started functioning. Again, after the whole thing which has been raised now, It may be a serious matter. The government has made its position clear. Let me assure this House through you, sir, the government has no intention of being either arrogant. We want this House to function. And the fact that out of two houses, one is functioning normally and the other is not being allowed to function normally, it's the arrogance of numbers and not the arrogance of the government.
Please, sir, I want to tell the leader of the house that if the other house is functioning, if he is accusing us of arrogance of numbers, I would say the other house is functioning because the tyranny of the majority. That is the word, that is the term which emerged
zero over submission.
Enlightenment.
Zero.
And sir, you must put the record straight. What we were asking from the Prime Minister was an apology for the Minister of State for the comment she made. Prime Minister did not give that. Prime Minister
now let me take up zero over.
Gave a peroration.
Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu. Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu, 0 over. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu, 0 over. 0 over. No, Rajiv, you had your chance.
Mr. Anand Sharma has raised the statement
He
of
said
Venkaiah
his view.
Naidu. Sir, statement of Venkaiah Naidu. It was not the arrogance. It was the statement of Venkaiah Naidu in which he has alleged that Hanumanth Rao had made disparaging remarks against the Prime Minister.
No, that issue is over now. Sri Anand Bhaskar Rappalu. 0 over. No more discussion on that.
No, sir. Chair must protect the member.
You got your say.
Of the house,
you got your say.
Sir, what I am saying,
that the leader of the house has you to say.
After checking the
you got your say.
That the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs
I will go through the records.
And the Honorable Member Shri Hanumanth Rao did not use any abusive
I told you I will go through the records.
Word against the Prime Minister of India.
I told you I will go through the records and do the needful. If any correction is needed, I will do that. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu.
माननीय मेरा टाइम तो ठीक करो कम से कम मेरा टाइम तो ठीक करो माननीय
another statement of this nature. No, where are we going with this?
These are the times of turmoil.
No, I call the Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu. I think now it's okay. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu.
Let the time be corrected. Let the time be corrected. माननीय सभापति महोदय, the treasury benches are calling us anarchists and arrogant. This is the tyranny of the treasury.
You say your piece. 0 over. Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu. Start your Padati condition of Vivesh. Start, please.
Treasury is in disaster.
No, then I will call the next person.
No, I am on my legs.
Either you start or I will call the next.
I am starting, but keep the house in the order.
No, Sri K.C. Tyagi.
No. How come? Maanनीय उपसभापति
Do you want to raise your 0 over?
Yes, I am mentioning.
Then do that.
I am mentioning उपसभापति महोदय. Whole of the country is facing turmoil situation.
What is the issue?
The conversion and the disorder throughout the country is creating havoc. Not to think of the plight of any artisan or weaver. This is the cry and weep of the nation. The treasury and the government is not
that will not go on here. Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu has raised 0 over. What he says other than 0 over subject will not go on record.
I am taking up the cry of the weavers and artisans throughout the country. But the treasury and union government is not in a mood to take care of the, protect the interests and understand the weeping and crying of the weavers and artisans. This is the disaster situation prevalent in the country.
Please, I will allow. Please. No, please. Please. I will allow you. Take your seat. I will allow you. Take your seat. I will allow you. Now, that also I can allow. I have no problem. See, I have already said 0 hour is members' hour, members' time. I have no objection in allowing. But I have also 14 0 hour notices. They are also members. They are also members. I have to respect their right to say their piece. That is all what. But however, my position is that, yes, some issues were raised by Sri Anand Sharma and also Sri Raja and Sri Yechury supported, others supported. On that matter, that is over because the chair cannot direct a member to apologize or that is a personal matter. What chair can do has been done. That is, it is explained. With that, it is over. The rest is political. I cannot enter into that. Second part is, please sit down. Now, sit down. Please sit down. Sit down. Don't catch on such words. Now, Sri Anand Sharma has read on an issue which was raised yesterday. That is in the record. I have to go through the record to pass my comments on that. I will go through the record. I will go through the record and come back to you. That's what I am saying. So let us close that. Now my request is, now let us allow.
Sir, my point is, you will go through the record, you may expunge something, but the matter has reached the media. Who will clarify in the media? Who will clarify in the media, sir?
No, I will come to the house after going through it, then media will pick it up. No, what happened is happened.
The Rajya Sabha to 0.
That is your observation. That is your observation. Yes, Sukandar Roy, what is the matter? That is your observation. What can I do?
Repudiate it completely.
Yeah.
Totally wrong.
Yes, Bolo. I'll have to adjourn the house then. I will have to adjourn the house then. I will have to adjourn the house. Chair cannot do anything more than this.
Sir, only one line I would like to.
Sukandar Roy.
Hello. Sir, it is true. It is true that the house is not functioning and all of us are concerned with that. It is also true that some of our honorable members are going to the well, but when they are going to the well, when all is not well. From day one, we are requesting the government through you that let the Honorable Prime Minister come to the house in view of the fact that the Honorable Prime Minister is attending the Hadara House. He is not only the Prime Minister of BJP,
no, today there is question hour.
He is the Prime Minister.
Wait for the question hour.
Let him come and listen what the
point is,
and whatever
you know today there is question hour. Wait till question hour.
An atmosphere is being created for allegations.
Wait till question hour.
Allegations and counter allegations. How long it will go?
See, you are obstructing the rights of 15 honorable members who are given notice. These issues are very important. My request to honorable members is at least now, please allow this. At least now, please allow this. No. I am not allowing. Yeah, what is your anything new?
Sir, you have talked about
any
the 0
suggestion
hour.
to solve it?
Sir, you have talked about the 0 hour. There are no rules regarding the 0 hour so far. That's how it is. It is any member can take up any matter of importance in the 0 hour.
That is all.
So, let me come to the point that is it a 0 hour or a free for all hour? Now, if it is a free for all hour, that is what it has been happening.
Yeah.
It seems that it is not a 0 hour. We must have rules for the 0 hour, not make it a free for all, and anybody can say anything. Nothing of importance is said. So why are we having it? We must have rule for it. We have a rule for everything. Why not for a 0 hour?
The 0 hour should be an hour. 0 hour should be 1 hour. But they are reducing the whole house to a 0, sir. By what they are doing, they are reducing the whole house to a 0.
Yechuridi, I want to tell you one thing. don't think 0 is a number having no value. 0 is a number having value, and also remember 0 is discovered by Indians. Our own, so it has value.
You are forgetting.
It
You
has
were then
value.
sitting in those
When
benches.
0 is put,
I gave a whole speech on the 0 here, sir. I gave a whole speech on the 0 here, sitting here, of how India invented it.
If 0 is put on the right side of any number,
sir, remember,
the value is
Sir, 0.
so high.
Sir, 0 cannot exist. Mathematically, please listen. 0 cannot exist mathematically, philosophically, without its opposite, which is the infinity. They are leading this house to an infinity of anarchy. and that is their opposite, counter-opposite.
Now please. Now let us start 0 over.
Sir.
Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rap. You want to say something? Okay. Anand Sharma ji, the senior most member I am allowing, and with that it closes. Nobody else.
You mean the house closes?
No. With that,
closes.
this free for all closes.
House closes.
Free for all. This free for all. No, you are not allowed. You are only allowed. Only Sharad Yadav ji allowed.
I don't do that.
Okay, then Sharad Yadav is not speaking. No, Anand Sharma off. No, I said Sri Anand Bhaskar Rapalu. Anand Sharma ji don't. No. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rapalu.
I have to say
something.
No.
That's over.
राज्यसभा है, भारत सभा है, भारत का प्रजातंत्र को परिरक्ष करने वाले भारत सांसद में उत्कृष्ट सभा है राज्यसभा। ये राज्यसभा को सम्मान देते हुए राज्यसभा के माध्यम से ये जारी रखना चाहिए कि भारतीय परंपरा को, भारतीय प्रजातंत्र परंपरा को बरकरार रख रहे बोल के ये सदन तो
श्री आनंद भास्कर रापलू,
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, ट्रेजरी इज क्रिएटिंग tyranny, ट्रेजरी क्रिएटिंग anarchy, treasury is arrogant, treasury is not at all ready to hear the weep and cry of the weavers and artisans. This is the disorder created by the treasury. This is the.
Why are you repeating what? Anand Sharma, why do you repeat all this? You already said all this. Why do you repeat? What is the point in repeating?
सभापति महोदय, भारतीय खेती के लिए, वीवर्स के लिए, आर्टिजन्स के लिए ये सरकार तैयार नहीं है।
That you made. Number of times you spoke. Chair cannot do anything.
ये नहीं होगा। माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, मुझे मौका दीजिए।
श्री आनंद भास्कर रापलू,
let me convey the cry and weeping of the weavers. There are 80 lakh weavers throughout the country as per the government report.
I request, including Anand Sharma, every honorable member, at least now, let us take up your hour. At least now. Please, I request. No, I am not allowing. Then I allow to adjourn the house. I called him, I allowed him. He is senior most member, I allowed him, I respect him.
नहीं सर, मेरा आपसे इतने निवेदन है कि आप आग्रह कर रहे हैं कि जो बिजनेस 0 आवर का उसको ले लें। आप जानते हैं कि सदन 2-4 दिन से इस मामले पे ये आग्रह कर रहा है, इससे सदन से बड़ा कोई नहीं होता।
यस,
हमारा आग्रह है कि हमारा मंत्रियों के सबके कहने के बाद जो मन में संतोष नहीं हो रहा, हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ भी शांति हो और बाहर भी शांति हो। वो शांति ने इतने बयान है कि रोज एक ना एक नया बयान आ जाता है। हमारा ऐसा मानना, हमारा परसेप्शन ये है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है वो यदि इस पर किसी तरह का स्ट्रांग एक्शन लेंगे तो ये सब चीज बंद होगी। और आपने जो चीजें कही हैं, जो आप चाहते हो, जो देश से आपने वचन दिया है, वो आप पूरा करो, हम ये भी चाहते हैं। लेकिन ये बात जो है वो परसेप्शन में है कि हम चाहते, पूरा सदन आपसे कह रहा है। अब आप कह रहे हैं इस आपके हाथ में जो लिस्ट है, इस लिस्ट को पूरा करें।
ये तो 3-4 दिन से नहीं हो रही। आपसे इतना ही कहना है कि आप ये जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर इस बात का क्यों प्रतिष्ठा बनाए हुए कि सदन में नहीं है, क्यों प्रतिष्ठा बनाए हुए?
All right.
इतने तरह के प्रतिष्ठा नहीं बनाना चाहिए, उन्हें प्रतिष्ठा नहीं बनाना चाहिए।
Do you want to speak?
Yes, I am speaking. माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, ये देश में खेती बाड़ी के लिए, वीवर्स के लिए, आर्टिजन्स के लिए सुनने के लिए सरकार तैयार नहीं है। ये सरकार अनर्की क्रिएट करके रखा है। ये सरकार हमें अरेगेंस बोल के बोल रहा है।
देश के लिए अच्छा होगा।
I am speaking, but house is not in order. How can I continue my submission? I am speaking on behalf of the last crores and crores.
House is adjourned to meet at 12:00 hours. 12:00 hours.
माननीय सभासद, माननीय सभापति जी,
Question 321. Question 321. Please बैठ जाइए, please. No, I am afraid. I am afraid this business of point of order is being carried too far. There is no point of order in question hour. There is none. I'm sorry. Take it up after the question hour. Please. I don't see why. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please. The honorable member has been a minister himself. The government is a collective. One minister can be represented by another minister. It is established practice. Please allow. भाई ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? भाई ये What is this? House is adjourned for 15 minutes.